Indian cough syrups are under global scanner. In December, 13 children died in Uzbekistan after the alleged consumption of Doc1 Max manufactured by Marion Biotech. In October, the World Health Organization issued an alert over 4 cough syrups made by Maiden Pharmaceuticals, leading to the death of 66 children in the Gambia. Recently in Mumbai, a 30-month-old baby boy suddenly collapsed after he was fed a cough syrup from a reputed pharmaceutical company. Cough syrups are widely used to treat children, but doctors emphasize that one needs to be cautious about its use and dosage for kids. Read more on TOI Plus.